Baba bless my family, bless my enemies, bless everybody. Together we be smiling.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Again, all details linked down below on my blog, and we're talking about makeup and beauty. And you guys already know, if I have to demo a product, I already have it demoed on my blog, or it will be posted soon. So always check all details on my blog. If you want to see it on me, I always try to test it on me and put it on my blog. So always just go in, type in the main keywords of what you need, and you'll find what you need there, right? So without further ado, we're gonna talk about makeup and beauty. So let's get right into it, guys. So guys, this is my second time ordering Trend Mood. I really wanted the Tatcha powder and the new Glow Recipe lotion, and so that happened and I got it. It was my second one. My first box was the First Aid Beauty set, which was really good, and if I can find a picture of it, I'll answer it as well. It was really nice, so I liked it. I thought it was a great deal, and I went and got my second box with the Tatcha and other products in it, like the Glow Recipe. Without further ado, we're gonna start with the makeup reviews. The first thing I want to talk about here is the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder Hydrating Loose Powder. Oh my god, only available at Walmart, guys. This is just like phenomenal. This is just like an amazing powder. For hydration and for the price, and all powders typically make me dry under my skin. I was almost gonna be done with powders, but I feel like this is so amazing. Like when you apply it, at first I thought my brushes were always wet. I'm like, I washed this, I dried this, like why does it feel so wet when I put it under my eyes? I kept changing my brushes. Like on the third try, I was like, wait a minute, it has to be the powder. Yes, the powder feels like you're putting like some type of, a little bit of ice under your eyes. It's really chilling. It's so amazing. It's so weird. I don't know, but it's the coolest thing ever. It feels like you're putting ice under your eyes, guys. Like, it's so amazing. If you can feel that cooling sensation, that's the hydration factor, which I love. This definitely keeps my eyes set and not looking dry, because I already have dry under eyes, and so whenever I do my makeup, when I put powder on there, especially if I set it, it just, or bake, it just looks worse. And by the end of the day, I'm just like, child, please. But I think so far this is the closest to the other powders that I've tried that's good, apart from the Halo powder. So yeah, so the Halo powder works for me, and also this one for dry skin. I don't know how it would do on oily skin, but you can try. You can always mix it, because again, you don't always want to be all matte, okay? You always want to hydrate and moisturize. So you could mix it, or even try it alone. It might be good. And it's translucent. That's the key. It is translucent. So this powder right here, amazing, guys, love it. Next thing I want to talk about is actually brushes, and I actually got the Ultimate Blender brush for liquid and cream foundations by JOAH Beauty. I've really been liking their brushes. It's called the Ultimate Blender. It's kind of like flat. I can't, guys, like, this is like a great multi-purpose one, because you can contour with this, you can set under your eye fill with this, you can contour your nose with this, you can contour your cheekbones with this, and you can apply foundation with it. I like the aesthetics of JOAH Beauty. I like all the sales, the quality, and I had gotten this brush like I think a year ago, and it's so convenient. And look, at almost 2 years ago I got this brush, okay, because they came out like 2 years ago, and it's still intact. Like, so good. And for this, with the sales, they're almost free, so I thought, why not show you guys my new brush? It's amazing. They're amazing quality, their brushes so far, so I like it. For the price and the aesthetics is really good. So definitely try JOAH Beauty in general if you're looking for something new. I want to talk about Sigma Beauty. I've always wanted to try Sigma Beauty, and I've been finding them at TJMAXX and Marshalls recently. But they had a bunch of brushes there, but I only got the P80 Precision Flat Brush for like absolutely detailing under my eyes, with setting my concealer and blending my concealer, and also my contour here, even my eyes. I feel like it's a nice detailing brush that's multi-purpose, and like I said, it's the Precision Flat P80 brush. Very nice, seems very good quality, and it was only $8, and I was like, wow, okay. I don't know how much it is originally, but I assume much more. And I got this for my eyes because, like I told you, I had really bad, like I've mentioned before, I have really bad under eyes, and like it just creases and looks like old, and I don't know, but I'm hoping this will help. And so far so good. I like it. I need to use it more, but I do have a lot of brushes. But if you buy the TJMAXX franchise, try to look for Sigma Beauty brushes. And Morphe has something similar too that's readily available as well. Oh my god, speaking of more tools, we have this Revlon, this is like a almost like a blotting tool for people who have oily skin. I've noticed that more and more I use more and more skincare products, the more I get oily in my T-zone. I used to be very dry, but now I became oily in my T-zone. After like 12 hours, depending on the primer, my T-zone is crazy. This didn't seem practical, but it is easy to clean because you can just pop this open right here. You just lock, twist to lock and unlock. Okay, it's very, very practical. So when you twist it, it kind of falls apart. Okay, so I didn't like the aspect of using this with makeup on, but it does work. It's so amazing. And because it works, it is easy to clean. I'm like, all right, why not? But it's dirty when you have your makeup on, but it works, guys. It's so cool. I thought it was a gimmicky product, but I don't know, it does wonders. So I was like, dang, okay. I think I would use this best when I don't have my foundation on, because I feel like it's really gonna help if I'm sweating a lot. But if you do have, so I would like to use this more when I don't have my foundation on and I'm sweating and I don't have something on me. It's a good tool, cute tool for your purse, your makeup purse, and on the go. A great gift as well by Revlon. I got this from Influencer along with their new foundation. So I got this with the new foundation, new setting spray. And yeah, I would like to use this when I'm sweating and things like that without makeup, because with makeup obviously it does work, but then you're gonna have to reapply your powder a little bit and then wash this. So I've used it before, it does work, but yeah, again, it's just that sanitary aspect. So yeah. So there you go with that. And next I want to talk about the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm, and I have the Tough Cookie one, and that is such a cute packaging, you guys. I like it. I like it. I like it. Really nice moisturizing balm, very intense gloss, very different than what I would go for in terms of application. I think it's kind of inconvenient. That's the only thing I like about that. It's very thick as well, so you got to put it on, blend it in. Very high pigmentation, lasts well. Again, it's nothing wrong with it. I think it's just that I don't like the application style of it. It's not my thing. I like a wand or a lipstick. It's just I don't want anything else. I don't like to dip into things to put in my lips. I don't like to use it like this. It's just not my thing. So yeah, perfect, great, but not my style of application. That's it. But it's amazing, and the pigmentation and opacity, pretty darn good. Next thing I want to talk about is this new concealer by JOAH Beauty. Again, it's the Warmed Me Up concealer, and I have the color Cafe. I really like this. I just got it, been using it for about 2 weeks. It's perfect, like natural highlight for me. It doesn't claim to be full coverage, but it does claim to be like, you know, hydrating and things like that. Like very nice, natural. So I really like this. I use it on today. I think it's wonderful. I like it. I like the formula. It's not too drying, it's not too glowy. It's perfect and blends well, lasts long. So what can I say? It's amazing. I like it. The price is not bad. With sales, get onto it. Last but not least, today we got the Tatcha Silk Powder. You already know the aesthetics. Amazing, guys. You guys know how Tatcha does. I actually use it all over my face today. It comes, I don't like the whole concept here. I think it's a little bit messy, but it does have a stopper in case you're traveling. You just put it back in the middle, and if you want powder, you just close this, flip it upside down, and the powder comes on top. As you see here, it's light banana. Really nice product. I use it under my eyes today. You guys can see it's been like 10 hours or so, and yeah, I use it all over my face to set. And guys, I can't complain. I'm actually quite impressed. I don't know if it's the foundation or if it's both or what, but this is pretty good, okay? Yeah, I think for setting over my face, I almost wanted to say, I don't see the hype. I almost wanted to say, why is it so pricey? What is innovative about this? But guys, for this to set my face all day from 8 p.m. last night to almost 8 a.m. the next day without me touching, my makeup didn't move, like, I don't know, man. You look at me and tell me how you're doing. Like, I don't know. It's pretty good, and there's no flashback. It's not ashy. My eyes don't look dry. I look like my inner glow has been brought out, but it's not too much, and I don't look too matte. So I'm like, this is like perfect. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, because I was thinking all day like, yeah, no, my makeup didn't move. I wore a mask. I just don't know. I didn't retouch at all before filming, y'all. Like, I don't know. I was gonna come on here and be like, I don't think it's worth the hype. I don't think you need it, but guys, I really think you do need it. Okay, whatever skin type you have, I think you do need this because it's nice to have. Okay, you might want to use it and then set with your mattifying spray, but this is a good powder. That's all I gotta say. Really good powder. Oh, I wanted to quickly show you guys because I don't know what's going on, but I paired the Tatcha powder. So like I said, I use this under my eyes and all over my face to set. Okay, I think that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. And I use the JOAH Neo Nude Foundation. I think influencer sent me this, and I have the color 11.5. I don't know, when I first applied this on my face, I don't really like how it looks, but then I don't know, it films and photographs so well and just stays so well on my skin, even though I don't like the way it looks when I'm applying it in the undertone and things like that. I don't know, I'm weird, but yeah, so I use it with that along with this setting spray. As you can see, along with this setting spray, as you can see, y'all, I like it. It's a really good setting spray. Look at my face, okay? No makeup moving, no touch up, nothing. Like, I'm just like, what the go on? What's good? But anyways, like, yeah, that's the trio for today. In case y'all were wondering, in case you were wondering, that's the trio for today. Hey, oh, I forgot, I wanted to update you guys on the new Prime Focus Primer Serum by Wet n Wild, and it's the hydrating one. Love the packaging, love the aesthetics. Bought this because it was like reminding me of the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk, all hard candy. But guys, not even a year later, not even, I think it's only been like almost a year, and it's so liquidy. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't use it. It's not gripping anymore, y'all. It's like watery, so watery. I can't even apply on my skin. It became like, I don't even know. Let me apply it here so you guys can kind of see. Look at that. It's like water. It doesn't have any grip. It's just like water on my skin. So this pretty much expired. It didn't even last me. I used this like for 2 weeks, 3 weeks after that first time I bought it, and I couldn't use it again because it just expired. It became like water and it won't stay on your face. It will just mess you up if you use this, like mess up your whole look. So yeah, I gotta toss this. So I wanted to update you guys if I can. And last but not least, I wanted to talk about the Ardell Brow-Lebrity Micro Brow Pencil. I have the color Soft Black. Guys, I didn't think I was gonna like this, and I got this on sale at Ulta for $4.99. This is the truth, okay? I think Andrea Renee put me onto this, and I'm so glad I waited for it to get it. It's so amazing. And let me show you the packaging. Yeah, that is the packaging of the actual pencil. It kind of reminds me of like the Kat Von D theme, but yeah, you get a spoolie and pencil, micro pencil. Y'all know how I like it. And I'm just gonna, guys, it's just the perfect amount of waxiness. Like, not too waxy, not too creamy, just perfect. Blends like a dream. It's just really good for on the go beginners. I just love it. I don't know, I have nothing more to say. It's amazing. Okay, get into it, and you would thank me later. I know I kept saying last but not least, but this is actually the last one. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Praise God. Watch more videos if you can. Share it if you can. Share the video if you can. And I'll share the video if you can. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, guys. Bye-bye. God bless y'all.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress. I'm a living witness. I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.